Dear students, I am Rajesh Modi. Today we will start reasoning. And topic is series completion. Series completion. This topic deals with the questions in which the series of numbers are given, which are generally called as terms of the series. Like series is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 etc. all are called terms of the series. These terms follows a certain pattern throughout. You are required to recognize this pattern. So, first question is, which number would replace question mark in the series? Series is 7, 12, 19, that is a question mark, and 39. So which number would replace question mark in the series? Now you have to recognize the pattern. Here pattern is 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7, 19. A pattern is plus 5 plus 7, that is plus 9. That is 9 plus 9, that is equal to 28. So missing number here, the number that is replaced in the question mark, that is 28. It is your answer. Now 28 plus 11, that is equal to 39. So pattern is plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. Understand? So you have to complete the series. Second question is, which is the number that comes next in the sequence? Series is 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210 and the question mark. Here, what is the pattern? Now 0, that is 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube 1, 1 minus 1, 0. 6, 2 cube minus 2. 2 cube 8 minus 2, that is 6. 24, that is equal to 3 cube minus 3. 3 cube 27 minus 3, 24. 4 cube minus 4, that is 60. 120. 120, that is equal to 5 cube minus 5. 5 cube 125 minus 5, 120. 210. 6 cube minus 6. 6 cube 216 minus 6, that is 210. So the next is, according to the pattern, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. Now 7 cube. 7 cube minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cube, that is equal to 343 minus 7. That is equal to 336. It is your answer. 336. Understand? So you have to find out the what pattern is used. Okay. Question number 3. Which is the number that comes next in the following sequence? In the following sequence. Four, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30, and this number next last. Here is a series is given 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30. Now the given sequence, ये जो sequence है आपके पास given, the given sequence is a combination of two series. Is a combination of two series. First series is 4, 12, 8, 28. First series आपकी 4, 12, 28. And next is आपका question mark. And second series is 6, 14, 30. Now the pattern is used in the first series plus 8. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 16, 28. Up in the second series 6 plus 8, 14 plus 16. तो plus 8 फिर plus 16, तो next is plus 32. Plus 32. 8, 16 फिर 32. तो now 28 अब हमें फर्स्ट सीरीज में चाहिए, तो 28 plus 32, that is equal to 60. So answer is 60. Understand? Now question is, यदि मान लो आपके पास अब 60 है, अब 60 से नेक्स्ट पूछा जाता कि 28, तो 28, 30, for 30 and next, तो 30 अब 8 plus 16 plus 32, then 30 plus 32, that is equal to 62. The next term is 62. Okay. Now question 4. Find out the missing number in the following sequence. In the following sequence. Sequence is 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 9, question mark. That is the missing term 12, 21. Now, here are also the given sequence is a combination of two series. Here also the combination of two series. The series is 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 9, 12, 21. Here the two series, combination of two series, first series is 1, 3, 7, question mark, 21. And second series is 3, 6, 9, 12. Now the pattern is, in the first series, you have to fill the space. क्वेश्चन मार्क आपका है फर्स्ट सीरीज में, तो यू हैव टू टेक फर्स्ट सीरीज. +2 पैटर्न में 1 + 2 3, 3 + 4 7 +4. Now +2 +4 then +6. तो 7 + 6 13. Now 13 + 8 21. तो पैटर्न क्या चल रहा है आपका? +2 +4 +6 +8. But in the second series the pattern is +3 +3 +3. Now you have to take the first series because that term is missing in the first series. So here the answer is 30. Now आपके पास यदि सेकेंड सीरीज में यहां पर क्वेश्चन मार्क होता तो व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट टर्म? अब ++3 का आपका पैटर्न चल रहा है, तो 3 + 6 + 9 + 12 एंड हेयर द 50. अब ये वाला जो आया था ना नेक्स्ट, तो यहां पे आप क्या टर्म होती है आपकी 15. अंडरस्टैंड? सो हेयर द आंसर इज 30. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which fraction comes next in the sequence 1/2, 3/4, 5/8 and 7/16 and question mark. Now you have to fill this space. क्वेश्चन मार्क कीजिएंगे आपकी क्या टर्म होनी चाहिए. क्लियरली आपको क्वेश्चन में here are the numerators and these are the denominators. The numerators of the fractions in the given sequence form the series 1, 3, 5, 7, in which each term is obtained by adding 2 by adding 2 to the previous term. Pattern is +2 +2 +2. Here is the pattern in the numerator. Okay. The denominators of the fractions form the series 2, 4, 8, 16. That is 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 4. So the numerator of the next fraction will be, the numerator of the next fraction will be +2. 7 + 2, that is equal to 9. And the denominator will be 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 and the next is 2 raised to the power 5, that is 32. 2 raised to the power 5, that is equal to 32. Therefore the next term is numerator is 9 and denominator is 32. Hence the answer is 9/32. 9/32. Understand? Now हमने ये 4 to 5 क्वेश्चंस जो है वो इनके कुछ पैटर्न्स देखे हैं और रिकॉग्नाइज किया है हमने कि किस क्वेश्चन में क्या पैटर्न यूज हो रहा है. नाउ I am discussing about some progressions, that is AP, GP, etc. You have already studied in class 10th about AP. What is the AP? arithmetical progression. The progression of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या है, एपी में सीरीज. बिकॉज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू टर्म्स is always constant. That is, here the difference is d. Now the first term is a. First term, that is equal to a, and the common difference, because the difference is common in all the terms. First two terms, then second and third and fourth. The difference is constant. That is the common difference. That is equal to d. Common difference is d. For an example, 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. is an APC, arithmetical progression, in which a is equal to 3 and the difference is 6 minus 3, 9 minus 6, 12 minus 9. That is equal to 3. So the series is AP series. Okay. Now next is GP. You will study in class 10th, 11th. GP क्या है? Geometric progression. The progression of the form AR square, AR cube is known as GP. Geometric progression. Here first term is E. First term क्या है यहाँ? E. And the common ratio, यहाँ तक आपका common difference. Here is common ratio. अब common ratio का means है कि ratio of both the terms remains constant. AR upon A, that is equal to R. Ratio of the second and third, AR square upon AR, that is R. Also in the third and fourth term, the ratio जो है वो that is equal to R, that is constant. So the example है 1, 5, 25, 125. The series is in GP. Here A is equal to 1 and R is equal to ratio 5 upon 1, 5, 25 upon 5, 5, 125 upon 20, 125 upon 25, 5. So the ratio is R is equal to 5. So in a GP we have nth term in GP, that is equal to A into R raised to the power n minus 1. nth term निकालने के लिए that is the formula A into R raised to the power n minus 1. AP का तो आपको मालूम है nth term A plus n minus 1 into D. ये आप 10th क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं. nth term that is equal to first term plus number of terms minus 1 into common difference. And in GP, A nth term that is equal to A into R raised to the power n minus 1. Now we discuss some questions related to AP and GP. Next question is, in the series 357, 363, 369, what will be the 10th term? The given series is an AP because the common difference is 6. Common difference is 6. Here A is equal to 357 and common difference is 363 minus 357, that is equal to 6. ठीक है. Now you have to find out the 10th term, A 10, that is equal to A plus 10 माइनस 1 इंटू डी, ए प्लस 9d आप डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट टर्म 357 प्लस 9 इंटू डिफरेंस 6, 357 प्लस 54 दैट इज इक्वल टू 411. ओके, योर आंसर इज 411. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हाउ मेनी टर्म्स. अब यहां पे तो हमने 10th टर्म निकाला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर. हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर in the series 201, 208, 215 and 369. Last term is 369. Here a is equal to 201 and difference 7. Difference कितने है 7 and the last term an that is 369. So apply the n term formula. A 201 plus n minus 1 into difference 7. Solve it. That is equal to n minus 1. Then n is equal to 25. So your answer is 25. You can do easily. Now next question is related with GP. In the series 7, 14, 28 so on, what will be the 10th term? What will be the 10th term? Now the series जो है वो किस में है? GP में. The series in GP in which आप लिखेंगे series in GP in which A is equal to 7 and common ratio R that is equal to 14 by 7 2. 28 upon 14 2. तो R is equal to 2. Therefore 10th term that is equal to A into R 10 minus 1 that is equal to A into R raised to the power 9. A is equal to 7 and R is equal to 2 raised to the power 9 that is equal to 7 into 2 raised to the power 9 512. Now 7 into 512 that is equal to 3584. ठीक है 3584. So answer is 3584. So in this type you have studied about some questions based on series completion. Okay, thank you.